Okay, we're here in the city of Orange. We will be doing an installation, a demolition of sorts and an installation here at this home. Now this floor right here is going to stay. It's a 2-inch oak. We're going to be removing all this plywood right in this location. You see the process has already begun. But just in this dining area, living dining area, and in this kitchen, that's plywood underneath this vinyl, and laundry area. At the same time, back here in this room, we're going to be prepping and installing plywood so we can install more wood on this floor, including this one step right here. The rest of the house, we're going to be leaving alone because in the very near future, we'll be coming back to sand and finish. You can see they're still working some of these other locations. So, in another 2 or 3 days, we should be done with the installation and be back in about at least a week. Perfect.